Dear son, this is your first big adventure. We're going on a journey to a place in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. A place which was shaped by volcanic eruptions, crushing waves and vast winds. A place that looks completely different from anything you have seen before. It may seem like a small step, but is actually a huge leap towards exploring the beauty of the world beyond your home. As a father, one of my greatest dreams has always been to share my passion for travel and foreign cultures with my child. And now, I have the privilege of doing just that with you. At only 7 months old, you are just beginning to explore the world around you. While you may not remember this journey in a few years, it is still a crucial step in your development. Every experience, no matter how small, shapes your perspective and understanding of the world. You are embarking on a journey of many firsts. Your first time visiting a place where the sun never sets in summer. Your first sighting of puffins. Exploring relics of trolls. And your first glimpse of the deep blue ocean that reminds me of the color of your eyes. As we capture these moments through photographs and videos, we are creating memories that will last a lifetime. These are memories that mean the world to your mom and me, and we will cherish them forever. Memories that will make me smile and fill me with happiness, and that will one day bring a smile to your face as well. Watching you grow up has been the greatest pleasure of my life. Your infectious smile fills my heart with warmth and love, and every small milestone you achieve fills me with pride. I am so excited to see what the future holds for us and the many adventures that we will share together. This trip is just the beginning of our journey, and I look forward to creating many more memories with you in the years to come.